Hello and welcome to the new channel of Three Exhausted Minds. I'm Rio, this is Kieran and Lou's behind the camera.
Now you might recognise Rio from Yorkshire Automotive.
Or not.
So we've created this channel for the three of us just to play with cars, trials bikes, mountain bikes, modify and fix other people's cars. And if enough of you subscribe, hopefully do the budget Top Gear challenges that everyone likes, just without the BBC lawyers.
So this is the first project, we've retrieved it today, and if you want to see the video for it, like, subscribe and follow.
How do they actually do it on TV? It's mad, isn't it?
Hello and welcome.
Hello from sunny South Africa.
Josh, is actually knackered.
The plan is that we fuck it. Fuck it.